Good morning mga kayots. So ayan, for today's video, gala time again. So we are heading to the Pakpaklawin Beach and I'm gonna show you something interesting here in the Philippines. First, okay, this one is like a playground, a basketball court. Well, the thing that I want to show you is halo te. Dali lang, bati mo na ang sister. My sister. Okay lang. Ay, that's my sister. Elder sister. Okay. Nagba-vlog sandali. So, look. Here in the Philippines, you don't need to go to the malls like that. You can just here's the main street like that, and then you just buy fresh fishes. Look at that. So, what are these fishes?
Sagisi.
Oh my God, hito yan, di ba?
Oo.
Sagisi, these are fresh catch fish.
Oh, yes.
From the fishermen around here, because ahead there will be like a beach. So that's the indication that is a fresh. Oh. And this is like a rice thing. Ibus. Yeah, merienda. Look at this, just simple. So there's the vegetables.
Wait lang, Gia.
Okay. So ayun. So there our car, and there's my sister. Ayoko. Ayun. So we're heading now. My sister just bought a fish for our ihaw-ihaw. Ayun lang. So see you there on the beach. Ayun, naglilinis bata. Anong isda yan?
Mangagat.
Mangagat? Masarap ba yan?
Oo, masarap yan. Para yan siyang maya-maya.
Oo. Oh.
Natikman mo na
Look, it's a little boy. Ilan taon ka na, Dong?
Ano po? 12.
Ay, 12. Look at that. You see here in the Philippines, the kids are helping the parents. They're cleaning the sold fish.
Hiwain mo ga, yung ganunin mo ng ito. Sige. Kasi kailangan niya hilain yung bituka.
Matigas ba? Mahirap?
Mahirap tayo siya linisan. Kaya kailangan yung pag hindi ka sanay.
Oh.
Yung atay. Okay na yun siya ga. Okay na yung palangga.
Bakit nakakain ba yan?
Oo, nakakain yan. Si ate magkain yan. Ako hindi.
Oh, swimming pool. What is that? What is that? Yeah. I will just Alright guys, so we're here already in the beach of Pakpaklawin. So my family is Millie. This is my so they're eating breakfast for now. Time check is, what time is it now? Sino may relo dyan? So yun na, yung oras, yun na yun. It's still morning. Yeah, so we're having breakfast. I bought Jollibee. Anyway, so you around guys. So, ano ba yan? Gulo ng buhok ko. Teka lang. Ay, dali. Ako na yung kinukuha ng sarili ko. So, this is the view of Pakpaklawin. So, this is the beach. There is Blush and Val. Hi! So, that is, it's a cove actually. And if you see, there is like a rock formation in the middle of the sea, like island rock formation. And right there is Emma, Marco, and Mai. So they're already swimming. And on the left side, you can play here volleyball. Actually, there's like a small community over there. There are houses, like private houses. As you see that, there's a blue color. There's private houses. Here, there is already accommodation here actually. So, yeah, you can rent here these cottages. Just bring your own food. Well, actually, you can order also here a food from the information just right over there straight. And here there are like accommodation, like houses, native houses. Maybe I'm gonna show you. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go there. There. So that's the native houses, the accommodation. That's one. And yeah, it's like 3,000 per night. And then here, right over here, you can change. Hi, Yere. So you can change, you can shower just right there. So this is their function hall. So if you have like birthdays, weddings, and events, you can rent this place. At the back of this, there is a swimming pool. So if you will have your accommodation here, all the facilities are free. Yon, included. So this is how it looks like. It's so nice. Oh my God, can't believe it. Really beautiful. This is like 45 minutes to 1 hour, depends on how your speed, how fast you drive. So ayan, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda, guys. So actually this location is just a little right side from Nagtabon Beach. Ayun. So my sister said that it's better here, and it's better here for the kids because it's less wave than in Nagtabon. In Nagtabon, there are like a lot of vendors. Actually, you can easily buy food if you forget to bring your food. Here there's no vendor, but you can order there from the fridge. It's not that expensive anyways. So yeah, it's affordable. And that, so happy swimming. Let's enjoy. One more like that. See, life is a beach, beaches. Sorry, that I'm just happy because I'm with my family, so we'll have fun in the beach. May dala kayong volleyball? May pa-volleyball, oh. Mayroon dyan. Mayroon karaokehan din dito. Siya. Karaoke talaga. Well, Filipino always have karaoke. Whether there are like occasions or not. When they go to beach, they also used to sing. But yeah, we're here to relax and enjoy the water. So, enjoy, guys. Ayun. Bon appetit. Ayun, so we're here. We're having ihaw-ihaw. So this is the way how Filipinos do their barbecue. So ayan si Kuya Mark. Look at that. So are you done with the fish? Oy, ate, the glass fall down. Ayan. So what we're having here, we have the pork chops, and we're gonna make later the fresh fish. Saan yung fish natin? Ito. So that. And there. It's so cool, na? Yeah. Yeah, pork. Yeah, no, it's I just take a video because I will document it, right? Ayan. It's more fun in the Philippines. Oh, diba? Oh, they have some huge fish. This is so big. Oh my God, smoky. Super. Smells so delicious over here. I'm getting hungry. Take a picture together? Master chefs. Oh, hold on. No? Huwag ka lang, diyan ka lang. Huwag kang umalis, diyan ka lang. Oh, Master Chef. Oh, diba? Oh, Taba, come closer, Taba, there. So I can, yeah. Oh. Yeah, okay. You want to join Ire?
Okay, no.
No? Okay.
No.
Hala, look the fish. Oh, this is Dore. In Nemo. Di ba yan? Oh. Di ba? Pusit lumot. Dore. Hello again, guys. So we have a little stopover for the view deck for Nagtabon Beach. So Nagtabon Beach is just right after my back. Look at that. That's a beautiful beach. So Have a look. So that's the road, and we park our car over there, and that's Yard San Marco. Have a look again. That's so nice. Focus it. So that's the Nagtabon. It's not so much tourist yet because it's not yet, I think, officially announced. Mostly the locals used to swim there. So if you are not from here, you maybe seldomly hear this beach. It's like a cove, and we swim in front of that island there. That's the Papaklawin right there. So that. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye. I found a mango. Look at it. Mango. It's baby mango. I'm gonna head to car now. Gremo. Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!